experience has been incredible. I had an opportunity to meet the top leaders, including Datuk Khalis, the Group Chief Officer for Human Capital, and also one of them is CEO of MAGiC, which was Captain Izham.
To remember that you only live once, so never fear to grab the opportunities because you never know, maybe that's your breaking point to start your career path, and that never be afraid to make mistakes because life is a continuous learning journey.
The work I've been assigned to really helped me in improving my skills and also my soft skills, and it made me very confident in my software development skills. So my mentors have helped me tremendously throughout this whole program, and they've been patient in teaching me the ways of implementing all the skills that I've learned, and also they help me understand fully the software development lifecycle and applying it to real-world scenarios.
I find this program is very interesting and challenging, and this is very a precious opportunity for me. I realized that this industry is not only about the aircraft and also flight booking, but I also meet a lot of different specialists from other fields in this industry. And this made my expectation in terms of the technical knowledge and also help me in my career development.
The overall atmosphere in the program is supportive and collaborative. Students, faculty, staff create an encouraging environment where everyone is motivated to learn and share ideas. About the community is diverse and welcoming, making it easy to connect with others who share the similar interests and goals.
So academically, it has helped me get in-depth knowledge in relating to what the courses I'm taking right now, which is internal audit. They give you hands-on work where you know the workflow in the work environment itself. So personally, I think I've become more confident in communicating with people. So when you work in a team, communication is key, where you have to talk to your superior, clients. Yes, after being part of this iCadet MAGiC program, I'm more familiarized myself in the workplace environment, and also with the third experience I've had in this program, I'm confident that I can excel in my future career goals.
So for me, the main standout feature of this iCadet program was definitely getting an internship at Malaysia Aviation Group. So definitely, through this program, I've achieved my dream.
I would emphasize that it's a fantastic opportunity to work on real-world projects that make meaningful impacts. You will gain hands-on experience, develop technical and analytical skills, and also get insight into the inner workings of the aviation industry. I'd highly recommend it if you are looking for a well-rounded, challenging and rewarding experience.
If you are unsure about which industry you want to pursue, this program is the perfect way for you to discover. You will discover your answer by the end of the program or even before that.
A transformative journey!